Let me show you how to create this color halftone effect in Photoshop. Start by creating a new file size 1920 by 1080 pixel. Drag your photo to Photoshop. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Pick the white color and then press OK. Reduce the opacity. Create a new layer. Choose Use Soft Round Brush. Set the hardness to round 60%, set the opacity and flow to 100%, choose the black color. Follow this process. Choose the solid color layer and set back opacity to 100%. Hold Shift and select these two layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter Pixelate, choose Color Halftone. Write 50 on all channels and radius. When you finish, press OK. Change the blending mode to screen. That's it. Hope you liked it. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.